Welcome back to SEO Science. In today's video, we'll be diving into the incredible success story of Booking.com and how they managed to make well over $1 billion by using search engine optimization. Booking.com is one of the world's leading online travel companies, and their SEO strategy has been nothing short of phenomenal. So let's get started and learn from their strategy. But before we dive in, let's see what Ahrefs can tell us about Booking.com. As you can see from these statistics taken from the last 6 months, Booking.com has a domain rating of 93 out of 100. Their URL rating is 64 out of 100. The total number of backlinks Booking.com has is 574 million, and the total number of unique domains linking to Booking.com is 290,000. The total number of keywords that Booking.com ranks for in the top 100 organic search results is 16.9 million. The estimated number of monthly visits that Booking.com gets from organic search is 156 million. Chapter 1. The importance of SEO. Before we jump into Booking.com's specific case, let's briefly understand why SEO is crucial for business in the online travel industry. With the exponential growth of online travel bookings, being visible on search engines like Google can make or break a company's success. Chapter 2. Booking.com's initial challenges. Booking.com wasn't always a giant in the online travel industry. They started as a small Dutch startup in 1996 and faced fierce competition from established players. In the early days, their website lacked user friendliness and they struggled with low visibility on search engines. Chapter 3. The SEO turnaround. Booking.com realized that to thrive in the digital age, they needed to invest heavily in SEO. They embarked on a journey to revamp their website, making it more user-friendly, and focused on improving their search engine ranking. And here's what they did. Content optimization. They created high quality, unique and informative content about travel destinations, hotels and customer reviews. This helped them rank for a wide range of relevant keywords, attracting more organic traffic. Technical SEO. They optimized their website's technical aspects such as site speed, mobile friendliness, and structured data. This made their site more appealing to search engines and improved user experience. Building backlinks. Booking.com actively pursued backlinks from authoritative travel websites and bloggers, increasing their domain authority and search engine trust. Chapter 4. Mobile optimization. As mobile usage surged, Booking.com developed a user-friendly app. This not only improved user experience, but also helped them tap into the growing mobile travel market. Chapter 5. Localization. Booking.com created localized versions of their website in multiple languages to cater to a global audience. This helped them capture a much wider customer base. Chapter 6. Measuring success. Booking.com tracked their SEO efforts using tools like Google Analytics. They monitored ratings, traffic, and conversion rates, ensuring that they were on the right track. Chapter 7. Results. All of these efforts paid off tremendously. Booking.com's revenue skyrocketed, crossing the $1 billion mark, and they became a household name in the travel industry. Chapter 8. Key takeaways. So what can we learn from Booking.com's SEO success story? Invest in high quality informative content, prioritize technical SEO for better website performance, build a strong backlink profile, embrace mobile optimization, localize your content for a global audience, continuously measure and adapt your SEO strategy. Booking.com's journey from struggling startup to a $1 billion revenue powerhouse, all through SEO, is a testament to the power of search engine optimization. By understanding and implementing these key strategies, businesses in any industry can improve their online visibility and achieve remarkable growth. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any further videos. Let us know in the comment section below which company's success story you'd like us to explore next. Until next time, happy optimizing. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.